For today's recipe in the kitchen, we are focusing on cornbread on the Traeger. I've got a little twist though. We're gonna do a little speed scratch to make this fast and easy, but then we're gonna add our own twist to make it flavorful. Let's head out, get the grill fired up. Let's get cooking. We went ahead and added our Ace Reserve blend pellets, and we'll set this for 375 degrees today. That is going to be our cooking temperature. We'll hit ignite, and we are set and ready to go. Ingredients today are gonna be very, very easy. We're gonna start off with a cast iron skillet. That's gonna give us just amazing flavor. And speaking of amazing flavor, we're gonna be using a little bacon up today. We're gonna grease the cast iron skillet with that. We're also gonna add this to our cornbread for even more flavor. We've got 1 package of cornbread mix. That is our speed scratch tip. Buttermilk, 2 eggs, some cheddar cheese, some corn, and a little bit of fire honey. These items are gonna add flavor to that cornbread, making this absolutely exceptional. Into the bowl, we add the cornbread mix. That's gonna be the first thing we add. We're gonna add those 2 eggs into there like so. We'll add our cup of buttermilk in there like that. And then we'll add our 3rd cup of melted bacon grease. Now, we'll go ahead and crack those eggs super quick and just get this lightly mixed, right? Or kind of combine just a little bit, because then we're gonna add all the rest of the goodies to it after that. So once we get it mixed for the most part, right? Just like that, we'll go ahead and add our corn. We'll add our cheddar cheese, and then we're going to add a little sweetness with some of that fire honey. So we say you can add between 2 and 4 tablespoons. It looks right about perfect right there. Now we'll go ahead and get this all mixed in again, just like that. Everything is all mixed. Now it is time to get this into our cast iron skillet. We've already got this set with a little bit of bacon grease in there, so we're good to go. I just like to go through and slightly flatten this out just a little bit like that. Okay, we are ready to go. I'll see you outside. We're gonna put this on the Traeger. We're heated up to 375. Time to go ahead and add our cornbread. We'll go ahead and put it right on the lower rack. Now, we're gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes. We're gonna leave it alone. We'll come back, check it in 20 minutes. Okay, here we are right after 20 minutes. We'll go ahead and put our toothpick in, and I can still see that this is very, very soft in the middle. We're gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna go ahead and close this, and I'm gonna cook it in 10-minute increments until it's 100% complete. We'll come back and show you when it's all done. Here we are right after that additional 10 minutes, so now 30 minutes of cook time. Let's go ahead and insert our pick in there, take that out. Look at that, it removes clean. So now we know we are good to go. So after 30 minutes, we'll go ahead and get this out of here. We'll let it sit in the kitchen now for about 5 minutes and let it rest. All right, time to cut into this cornbread and see what we look like. Now, we did let it rest for 5 minutes just because we wanted to make sure it had a chance to set up, and that cheese had a chance to kind of set as well, but we'll carefully pull that up. Look at that right there. That is what I call absolutely beautiful. Not bad at all for a simple, easy, and flavorful recipe. Cornbread delivers on all of that. Now, if you're looking for another great recipe on your Traeger, check out our green beans video. That coming up next.